Hey guys, congrats on your tour.
Thank you! We can't wait to see you guys in Toronto!
You're coming, right?
Come!
I don't know.
Hoy, Kyle! Who are you talking to, ha?
It's Beanie, Ma. I'm talking to Beanie. They're coming to Toronto for their tour. Is it cool if I go?
Ha? Hoy, Kyle, nababalo ka na ba? Anong you're talking to, Bini?
Hi, Tita!
I told you.
My God, Kyle! Kung anong-anong pinagsasabi mo? Enough na! Hay!
Alright, sorry guys. I gotta go.
Ikaw talaga, Kyle? Si baby. Hello, baby. Anong chika? Hoy, nandito ang Bini sa Toronto. Manood tayo ng concert nila. Ha, talaga? Hoy, Kyle. Sabi ng tita mo, magka-concert ng Bini dito.
Are you serious?
Gusto kong manood, Kyle. Buy me tickets naman, Kyle. Come on. Ang galing ng Bini. Come on na, Kyle.